Hi, beautiful beings. Welcome to my world. Thank you for being with me. Yes, the word is thank you. The more we say it, the more we attract saying thank you in our life. The more we say it, the more we use it. The universe will throw similar situations in front of us कि हम हमेशा थैंक यू बोलते रहेंगे. एंड इट इज़ गुड. थैंक यू मीनिंग कि हमारे ज़िंदगी में कुछ अच्छा हुआ है या फिर वी आर हैप्पी. इट इज़ अ साइन ऑफ हैप्पीनेस. Being grateful, being thankful. We should always be thankful in our life. Be thankful for even the small things that are happening in your life. For example, um, thank you God that I had a wonderful day at work. Thank you God, thank you universe that even in this lockdown I have a secured job. Thank each and every part of your body for functioning properly. Thank your eyes, thank your nose, thank your heart, thank your lungs for functioning properly from the time you were born. थैंक एवरी पार्ट ऑफ योर बॉडी क्योंकि वो है जो आपका साथ दे रहे हैं. हम ये सब छोटी छोटी चीज़ें करना भूल जाते हैं बट वी शुड ऑलवेज बी ग्रेटफुल. स्टार्ट योर डे विद पॉजिटिव अफर्मेशंस इफ़ पॉसिबल. जैसे ही आप उठते हैं से थैंक यू गॉड फॉर वेकिंग मी अप to this beautiful day. If possible, try and maintain a gratitude journal if possible. I'm telling you guys, I do this personally. Even my daughter does it. We both do it on a regular basis. जब हमारा दिन ख़त्म हो जाता है, when we are going to bed, उससे पहले we write a small paragraph about affirmations and gratitude. We start off with I'm blessed, I'm healthy and I'm happy. All of life, including money, comes to me with ease, joy and glory. I'm always surrounded with positive people in my life. इस तरह के कुछ positive affirmations can make a lot of difference in your life. And जब हम कुछ positive सोचते हैं, सोचने का तो असर होता ही है, उसके अलावा when we write it down, it actually sends out very strong and powerful signals to the universe that what we are thinking, despite of all the obstacles, yeah, despite of all the bad things or negative things happening, even though we are only concentrating on the positive things that are happening in our life. तो writing down positive affirmations will really help. आप खुद इसको आजमा के देखिए. Try it out for yourself and then see the difference. ज़्यादा नहीं, छोटा सा. Just try to start with day 1, day 2 ऐसे करके. After you have finished your affirmations, उसके नीचे ही just write down the gratitude. उस दिन जो भी आपकी ज़िंदगी में अच्छा हुआ है. For example, you can start off with small things like thank you for waking me up to this beautiful day, dear God. या thank you universe for I have a wonderful family who loves me. Thank you God for giving me the happiness that I deserve. Yeah, thank you God that I'm always surrounded with positive people in my life. Thank you God that I always attract good and positive things in my life. इस तरह की कोई भी अच्छी चीज़ें जो आपकी ज़िंदगी में हुई हैं उस दिन आप लिख सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, थैंक यू गॉड दैट आई वॉज एबल टू मीट माई टारगेट एट माई वर्क. या थैंक यू गॉड दैट आई हैव रियली हेल्पफुल पीपल अराउंड मी. थैंक यू गॉड दैट आई हैव फूड टू ईट. या छोटी सी बात दैट थैंक यू गॉड दैट आई एम हैप्पी टुडे. इस तरह की पॉजिटिव थिंग्स या ग्रैटिट्यूड जो भी हमें खुश करता है, हमें वो लिखनी चाहिए. लिखने का बहुत पॉजिटिव असर होता है. तो ट्राई इट आउट. ट्राई टू मेंटेन अ जर्नल इफ़ पॉसिबल and see the difference for yourself. If it works out, definitely come and let me know. I will be very eager to share my own experiences with you as well. Thank you and happy manifesting.